That's how the shit. Alright, this is first video. Shit, we about to do some bullshit right now. Got this shit for the videos. We're gonna paint this fool's rims. They're black rims, but the only thing is this fool doesn't. He wants to change up. He wants to get a little bit more spicy. Shit, right? Car's blacked out. It's purple accents on the car. They're really hard to fucking tell. Right now, I just had to pick up my box and this fucking stabilizer. Trying to get some videos of the car right now. So get some befores and afters of the, you know, it's gonna be like, it's gonna be some, I guess, a transformation. Never really thought about painting this fucking fool's wheels and shit until he said, hey, fuck it, let's just go paint these rims.
Change up the look a little bit.
Change up the look. Right now, we're just gonna get back to the place, do the fucking things, and I'll see you there. Yeah, shit, we in this bitch. Man's got the starlights in this hole, got the whole sound system. There's more plans coming for this car sooner or later. We got big plans, hopefully. You see over here and shit. Simple shit. Looks pretty nice with the lights. Recently, he had just put on those fog lights. Kind of does make the look of the car stand out. We put the front lip. All he wants to get next, pretty much the side skirts and the diffuser as well. Just cosmetics, nothing engine-wise. If you really look, comes out nice, especially in the rain right now. My phone is like almost drenched like a motherfucker. This is what we got going on for this setup. He doesn't really want to do much to it except for the engine later, but that's like
coilovers later.
So coilovers, he was thinking about bags, but it's a really dependable thing on what he wants.
I'd rather get coilovers.
Rather get coils. It's hard to find shit for this car. It's a 2020 versus SV, right? Or SR?
S.
Just an S. Something simple. You don't really see the car like this. He tries to stand out more for himself than other. But yeah, other than that, this is the whip and shit. Damn!
Peace on that.
Shit's dark as hell, bro. Shit. I mean, it's been like, damn. You hit the fucking tires, bro. Shit, we about to change these motherfuckers tonight. Is that right, Monroe? Bitch ass. Toast. Come here. Who's a good boy? I know we just got back. Put the light up for some light right now. It's pretty dark in here. Right now, we're just gonna get shit done. Mind the fucking wall and this shit. What does this matter? That shit was already knocked in. The homeboy comes back, ls.dazo. We'll put these on this cat. He probably go swing it. It's funny is we just fixed his differential. He actually snapped it. He has 26s on the back of that caddy. I got a video. Probably insert it right here.
Bruh.
Right now, we're gonna swap out the wheels right now. Put the stocks back on. These are original stocks, basically the burners. Take these off, clean them off good. Bring the cardboard in here, paint them. And from there, we're really much gonna start with the process of painting the rims and doing all that. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, we some dumbass fucks. We should have just really thought about putting it in the fucking bag. Purple accents on the car. They're really. It's one tire off. Gotta put these fucking stocks back on. These bitches look crusty. Nah, it doesn't matter. One off, 3 more to go, and we'll keep continuing from there. And we both realized that the tire's floating, bro. Try to clean some fucking rims, the rain and shit. Water the plants while you're at it.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Alright. Let me see that shit. What I kinda got. Definition of shit, bro. Fuck, what kind of bottle is that again?
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored, but yeah, that's some good ass shit right there, bro. I dry them hoes off right now. Still look wet like a motherfucker. Alright. Next day, we didn't finish. Well, we did finish. Yeah, it got late on us. Yeah, right now I'm about to head back to the homie's crib right now. Right now he's just gonna throw the clear coat on it. And after that we're gonna put the rims back on. Probably start on painting my calipers later. Yeah, I'll see you there. This boy ls.dazo. Oh shit, something my way better, bro. You gonna put clear coat on them still?
Yeah.
What?
Boys.
Shit.
I slept like a motherfucker.
You didn't sleep last night?
No.
I slept like a baby.
You know why?
Why?
No. They fucking slept in my room. You did? As soon as she hit my bed, she knocked the fuck out.
Hey, only way I'm gonna trip on a bitch is she's sleeping on the floor, right?
That's what I'm saying.
Spray painted rims. Had the spray painted permanent tire shine, bro. For real.
I need to clean these wheels, the rim under the brakes too, though. I want to paint this so it doesn't keep rusting.
Yeah. Get the anti-later, anti-rush shit.
Yeah. Been a while since I did these. I forget which depends.
Came out fucking nice. Spray painted fucking tires, bro. Look at this shit. Yeah, but right now we're gonna put them all back on, and when we're done, yeah, they came out nice. You can see it blue a little bit better now, but still hidden. Came out fucking nice, bro. Now you can get some play with these. Men play.
For real, huh?
Men play like a motherfucker.